We are now moving to the new topic in our lesson. The new topic is knowledge and skill for enterprise application team. This topic describes the essential knowledge and skill set that an EA team must acquire. Here we have 8 essential knowledge and skill sets for EA team. The knowledge and skill including organizational knowledge, domain knowledge, business analysis skill, program management skill, architecting and designing skill, programming knowledge and skill, testing skill, and finally on knowledge of tools. The first knowledge to acquire is the organizational knowledge. Organizational knowledge is referring to the organizational business and business needs of the end user. For example, the organizational business is retail. The need of the business is to reach more clients and maximizing the profit. Understanding organizational knowledge will determine the functionality that should be packaged in EA. It is also determines the kind of intuitive user interface required by EA and the component that can be reused from the project. Organizational knowledge will also determine the position of EA in the overall EA landscape. Finally, this knowledge will also determine the interface to be consumed or exposed by EA. EA is applied in many domains, such as health, insurance, manufacturing, and customer relation. Domain knowledge consists of industry content and specific best practices. It is important to acquire the industry context by understanding the terms, jargons, and common processes. Best practices has been approved to deliver success EA. A sound understanding of best practices in the domain will help to build competitive and cutting-edge EA. This domain knowledge are acquired from business process, information of the domain, and data models. Domain knowledge is valuable input for process, data, information management in EA.